Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word plumber. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The plumber fixed the leaky pipe in my bathroom. A plumber is a skilled tradesperson who installs and repairs pipes, fittings, and fixtures involved in water supply and drainage systems in buildings. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.